Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. S10's looking pretty mean back there. Just had to throw that out. We are in Big Lake, Minnesota today at the Car Condos. They have a car show, like open house deal. And today happens to be the first one of the year, so we are here to take that in. But before we get inside, you guys know what to do. Please go ahead and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, share this video, all of that stuff. Super helpful, very, very greatly appreciated. Alright, this one is a newer facility, and I think it's only been open like maybe 2-3 years now, and they have this super cool vintage gas station set up here, and right when you walk in the doors or the gates here. So let's get going and see what is all happening here today. we started. We've made our loop. It is a very nice place here. They have a beautiful setup. It is pretty new, and for the weather being kind of cruddy today, there was a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of people, a lot of parked cars out on the street, so that's always a good deal. It means there was a lot of stuff happening, and yeah, I think we're gonna head home now, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you go ahead, leave a thumbs up, and comment, all that good stuff. And if anything at all, please share this video. That helps out tremendously, and I couldn't thank you enough for all of that support. It means a lot, and it truly goes a long way. So, with that being said, as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.